Alright, welcome back to the channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you a secret crypto arbitrage trading platform that I just discovered that you can use to make unlimited profit from your crypto exchange platforms such as your Binance, your crypto.com, Uobi, Gate.io, Bitfinex, and so many other crypto platforms. So it's a very powerful crypto arbitrage bot, and what it's going to do is that it's going to give you the best prices from various crypto exchange platforms where you can see arbitrage opportunities. So what is arbitrage trading, or what is arbitrage bot all about? So an arbitrage system is just a system whereby you are able to make profit by buying a particular crypto asset on one exchange at a particular price, and within a short moment selling that same asset on another crypto exchange at a higher price. So when you do that, you are going to make profit. So what you have to do in arbitrage trading is that you need to have different accounts on the respective crypto exchanges that you want to trade on. So you simply scan the prices on the exchange, that's the spot prices. Then when you see the exchange that you spotted a very good opportunity, you simply buy that crypto asset that is cheaper on that exchange. Then at that moment you transfer the money from that exchange to the other exchange, which is going to be the exchange that you're going to place the sell order. That's, you're going to sell the asset that you bought on the first exchange. So now doing this manually is going to be very, very tedious. Doing this manually by always monitoring the exchanges prices yourself is practically impossible. So that is where this crypto arbitrage bot that I recently discovered come into the picture. So what this arbitrage bot is simply called Arbitool. So what it does is that it's going to scan the various exchanges out there for you. There are tens of crypto exchanges we have there, and you can even see on my screen here, you can see the various exchanges here, and then all of them, it's going to scan them for you, and it will give you the best prices from the various exchange. Of course, the higher prices will be ranked at the top. That's the arbitrage opportunities that can give you a much higher profit margin. They are going to be ranked at the top of the table. So what you need to just do is, when the arbitrage bot has scanned and showed you the best opportunities for you, then you just simply go to that exchange and buy the crypto asset on that exchange, then transfer the asset to the other exchange that the arbitrage is also going to display. So you don't the only work you are going to be doing when you are using this arbitrage software is that you are going to just monitor the table, monitor the opportunities table to see trading opportunities for you to do. So it will do all the work of scanning the prices and showing you the best opportunity. So yours is just to buy on this exchange and sell on this other exchange and make your profits. So that is what Arbitool is all about. And that's what I'll be showing you in this tutorial. And if you are ready for the entire tutorial, let's dive into it.
This video was brought to you by Sogit. Buy or sell your Bitcoin and perfect money on Sogit.com. We will pay you instantly within 2 minutes. Sign up today at Sogit.com/register.
All right, welcome back. So you can see the platform is here on my screen here. So now, first thing you need to do is that if you want to use this platform, you will need to create an account with them, because you are is a tool that you have. So you will be checking the site on your phone or your device. You simply check the site regularly. So once you see opportunities, then you just quickly go to the exchange and just buy and sell there. So if you want to create an account on Arbitool, I will leave a register link in the description of this video, just at the bottom of this video, where you can sign up an account on Arbitool. And you are good to go. So once you create an account on Arbitool, you log into your account. As you can see, I'm logged into my Arbitool account. So once you are logged into your account, all you just need to do is you just set up the settings here like this. So with Arbitool, you can get arbitrage opportunities from more than 20 crypto exchanges. If you just come from this top here, you see from exchange, If you click on it now, you see that there are a lot more exchanges that you can select from. So I recommend that you allow the exchanges, all of them, to be listed here. All your popular exchanges are here. And with this trading strategy, you can use it to make money from your Binance, your KuCoin, your Whoopi, Coinbase, CES.io, what have you. You get. So just select as much exchanges here as possible. Then these two exchange parts represent the exchange that you will be placing the sell order. So this form exchange is the exchange you will be placing your buy order. Toe exchange is the exchange you place your sell order, so that you can make your profit from the arbitrage opportunity that Arbitool gives you. Alright, so yeah, it's base currency and code currency. So to just give you the various crypto assets that you are going to see opportunities on. Even if you want fiat currency like EU, as you can see here, Euro is also available. You can see rubles. So it's not just crypto asset that you can get arbitrage opportunities. So just select as much as possible, because the job of the robot, or the job of the bot, is to scan all the available assets, all the crypto assets on various exchanges, and it just give you the best price for you to make the decision. So one good feature about this arbitrage tool, that's Arbitool, is that it's not like those other funny arbitrage bots that we see all over the internet, where they will ask you to deposit money to this arbitrage tool for you to trade for you. Most of those things are just Ponzi, and I've done a lot of them, and I regret it, because after some months the platform will just close up and my money is lost forever. So this one is a genuine and a transparent tool. You are not depositing any money to Arbitool. Arbitool is not going to trade for you, neither is it going to trade on your crypto exchange. Arbitool is just simply a crypto scanner. It will just simply scan for arbitrage opportunities for you to see, and whatever opportunities that scan for you is going to display the results at this table here. You can see this table. You can see that we have a lot of information here. And these are arbitrage opportunities for you to take advantage of right away. So you can see that this table, okay, so you can see, let me just conclude this settings. You can see the profit. So if you want the arbitrage to give you arbitrage opportunities, that the profits range from a particular amount, so that when you want to trade, you know that, okay, here's in this particular arbitrage, I'm going to make 1% profit, 2% profit, 3% profit, 5% profit. Okay, so there's one particular thing I need to mention about Arbitool here for you now. You see, Arbitool has both a free version and a paid version. This is the free version that I'm showing you here. So the free version on Arbitool is only going to present arbitrage opportunities that the maximum profit you can make is 1.25%. You can see access to arbitrage opportunities is limited to 1.25% for free users. So you can use this tool free of charge. You don't need to pay any money for it. Like I told you, there's no deposit to make. But for free users, you are limited to opportunities that your profit margin is just going to be 1.25%. On the paid version, you can see opportunities of up to 10%, 7%, 8% arbitrage opportunities that you can take advantage of. There are lots of crypto exchanges, and there are lots of crypto assets that are just getting listed. A lot of them don't have a volatility or trading volume yet. So there are a lot of arbitrage opportunities that you can take advantage of with those kind of crypto assets. So those kind of crypto assets, you are going to see profit percentage of up to 10%, 8%, 5% that you can take advantage of quickly. So if you want to get the paid version of this Arbitool, I have discussed with the Arbitool support, and then I've been able to get a 15% discount for my viewers and subscribers watching this video. So now, if you want to sign up for the paid version, you will simply, of course, first of all, you have to sign up on the Arbitool using my register link in the description. Then you are going to use the promo code. I'm going to drop the promo code. The promo code is called SOGET. So you use the promo code in the description of this video to get 15% discount for the paid version, which is what you get every month. So if I just click on this, if you click on this get full access here, you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so you can see that for Arbitool now, you can see that the 1 month plan is going to cost you 59.99 US dollar. Okay, like if you click on select plan here now, okay, so the promo code, yes, you can see for promo, if you use this my promo code, which I'll give you to use, then you can get a 15% discount on your monthly subscription. So you can see that that is a big reduction for you in the subscription or for the software or for the Arbitool. So now let me return back to the okay guys, so you can see this is just the opportunities. So once you've selected your profit, then this portion, I need to explain this portion here for you. You can see this portion here, withdraw and deposit status. So this tool is a very powerful tool. It's going to tell you, because when you open a trade with, when you buy crypto on a particular exchange, you want to know if that exchange will allow you to withdraw your money immediately, and even the time frame that they will allow you to withdraw your assets, so you can withdraw it and transfer it to the other exchange. So when you are setting your Arbitool, you can just simply come here and just simply select only on. If you select only on, it simply means that it will show you arbitrage opportunities that on the exchanges you can withdraw instantly and deposit instantly. Now you can see that the table has reduced. You can see that the table has reduced. So what this thing means is that you can see withdraw deposit, check, 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 check. So now friends, you can see a good opportunity for us now, for us to make profit from. You can see this first one here. You can see APT/USDT at exchange. It simply means that you're going to buy this particular asset at this exchange, and this is the price it's going for. Then you're going to sell it at Poloni exchange. This is another crypto platform. So you're going to have two accounts here. So once you buy these particular assets at this exchange, you simply transfer, you withdraw it to Poloni exchange, and once you withdraw it there, your profit, and once you withdraw to Poloni exchange, then you sell it at Poloni exchange back to USDT. So once you do that successfully within a short time, you are going to make a profit of 1.24%. So that is just what this arbitrage scanner is going to do for you. And you can see that we are filtered to see the exchanges that will allow us to withdraw our money instantly and deposit instantly. That's why you are seeing withdraw deposit, check, check. That's the purpose of this feature you are seeing here. So look at another opportunity here now. You can see another one, KNC USDT. This is another crypto asset, and you buy it at 0.84. all right, that's the price you buy it at HIBTC, and you simply transfer to Poloni exchange, and once you do it successfully, you're going to make 1.16%, and this is what this arbitrage scanner will always do for you. So now guys, imagine if you are using the paid version of this particular tool. You can imagine the amount of opportunities. Like I told you, you are going to see opportunities of 7%, 9%, 8%, arbitrage opportunities with so many unlimited, with so many various crypto exchanges. So what I always recommend for my students is, when you are using this tool, you need to create verified accounts with as many crypto exchanges as possible, especially those that are listed on this platform. Just make sure that you verify your crypto exchange account, because when you start doing arbitrage, you notice that over time your trading volume or the trading volume on your account may be going up, so that you don't meet your limits on the account. So just make sure that you do verification, fully verified for your account. Then another advice I want to give you before you start using this platform is, do not use EROC network. That's when you want to buy any of these crypto assets on the respective exchange. Make sure that the network you are buying them is maybe TROC20, Solana, even BTC, but do not use Ethereum network because of the miners fee. You can use other crypto network. There are a lot of them now, Avalanche, Algorand. You can use series of them, but do not use the Ethereum network, ERC network, because of the fees may erode the fees may eat up the profit that you make. So just that is something that you must pay good attention to. So guys, I hope you've gotten this information. If you go down, you see a lot of opportunities. You can see that when we listed the withdraw and deposit status on, you can see that the opportunities for arbitrage, they are not so much, but this is just perfect, because with this one you want to use exchanges that will allow you to withdraw your money immediately, no delays. No delays. That's the most important thing in arbitrage, because you need to sell on one exchange and buy on the other exchange within a very short period of time. So guys, I hope you've gotten the information, and I hope you've learned some basic information about this Arbitool. So if you want to create an account on Arbitool, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. And when you want to use the paid version, to subscribe for the paid version, you can use the promo code, so that you can get 15% discount in the monthly fees that you pay. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, and also click on the bell icon beside it. If you have any question about the Arbitool or any experience you encounter with them, you can drop in the comment section and I'll reply you. So guys, thank you so much for your time guys, and I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.